Welcome everyone to Wrekin Water How-To Guides, the one-stop for you how to help guides in water treatment. This is how to change over from the Everpure BW100 to the Wrekin Water QC100 Quick Change Water Filter. Let's get started. You will have an instruction guide along with some connectors. First, screw the housing to the location where it's going to sit. Take out the bag of connectors and the drinking pipe. Connect the isolator valve to the extra piece of drinking water pipe. Push in the pipe all the way and slightly pull to ensure it's connected correctly. Connect the John Guest elbow connectors to the housing, again push in all the way to ensure it's connected correctly. Push in your drinking water pipe to the inlet connector again, ensure it's connected correctly and will not pull out. Isolate the mains water from the stop cock. Run the tap to release pressure, then turn off the valve on the Everpure housing. Ensure the isolator valve on the new housing is set to closed. Disconnect the inlet pipe from the Everpure housing and connect it to the new isolator valve. Now disconnect the outlet pipe from the Everpure housing and connect it to the outlet connector on the new housing. Double check everything and then connect the QC100 water filter. Take off the protective cap. Push the filter up into the housing. Turn to the left till you feel it sit into place, then turn to the right. You will feel it lock into place. When you are ready again, turn your tap on and then open the isolator valve. This will remove any air in the system and allow water to prime your filter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like for notifications on new products and helpful guides. Wrekin Water, purifying water, unleashing health.